Hi everyone, I'm Kapi. Welcome to Sanya motorcycle booth in the 113th Canton Fair. It's first day today. I'm gonna introduce a new motorcycle launching at this fair to you. Through analyzing big data of sales for many years and combined with market demand, Sanya comprehensively optimized a new product and launched a new generation motorcycle. That's what I will introduce today. SY 125 gun AC Cannon model. This style integrates dragon elements, unique king style clarity. Headlights using halogen bars. The light is 3 times than the ordinary in the tension bar. Brightness increased by more than 20%, which diamond light daily lights dominantly impose. Tail light using LED, higher brightness, better warning effect. 29 from intention angle and 119 mm from intention design reduce the front deflection range effectively. More stable straight line driving. Ultra low seat height 750 mm. Ergonomic optimized seating design for more comfortable ride. Cold foam sponge is used for the seat. Seat with 50 mm thickness, strong rubber. Long-term use without deformation, like a sofa, comfortable in appearance. The front shopper is up to 120 mm, absorbing the vibration on the bumpy road effectively and driving more smoothly. 240 mm diameter large brake display, combined with high performance two-cylinder brake calipers, is more sensitive. The instrument interlock circuit board, electronic components as protective glue. The instrument housing as sealant. Better performance on waterproof, dustproof, seismic resistance. The muffler is made of stainless steel, coated with 415-degree centigrade high temperature protection plate, low rush and durable. Talon with vacant tire, even if accidental puncture. High-speed driving is safer. Tire surface with deep pattern structure. Good grip performance. It is not easy to slip on the slippery road. Powerful engine. You could choose SPC 125 or NF 125. The fuel tank capacity is 15 liters and it could run more than 600 kilometers with full oil. This is a brief introduction for this model. If you want to learn more information and contact with us directly, please follow our Facebook, Sanya Motorcycle. Thanks for your watching. See you.